I'm here at the intersection of East Truman Road and South Scott Avenue, where a man was shot and killed by Independence Police. This is just one of several investigations of law enforcement agencies across the metro this weekend. Independence Police are involved in two separate investigations. Officers were called to a disturbance near East Truman Road involving armed individuals. They found a man in the backseat of a vehicle, tried questioning him until they say they saw the man had a gun. After the man refused commands to drop it, he was shot by police and died on the scene.
The idea is that any agency involved in the shooting, for example, tonight was Independence, they sit out and they allow the other three agencies to provide that independent review and that independent fact gathering to give it that unbiased investigation.
The department's use of force policy states an officer can use lethal force if it's in defense of human life or if a person is in imminent danger or risk of serious injury. The night before, Independence officers tried to conduct a traffic stop on a suspected hit-and-run driver. The driver tried to get away and made it near I-70 and Phelps Road. Officers say the suspect eventually got out of the vehicle, tried running across westbound I-70. They were hit and killed by a driver. The department's pursuit policy allows an officer to chase if a suspect is trying to avoid arrest or flee from police, and only after the officer considers safety, the seriousness of the offense, and consequences. The Clay County Sheriff's Department was called to the Northland Shopping Center on Saturday for a disturbance. Deputies found the man in question. They say they tried to talk to him and he pulled out a large knife, ran at deputies twice before deputies shot him. He survived and was taken to the hospital. A suspected drunk driver died Saturday morning after a chase with Missouri State Highway Patrol. The state trooper noticed the driver wasn't staying in one lane and struck the guardrail. A chase then lasted 1 minute before the trooper used a tactical vehicle intervention technique, causing the car to go off the interstate, flip over into a ditch, ejecting the driver. The driver died at the scene. Missouri Highway Patrol's website states it conducted 652 vehicle pursuits in 2024. Its website defines a pursuit, stating that termination of a chase happens if the risk outweighs the need to apprehend a suspect. The shootings are being investigated by outside agencies. Missouri State Highway Patrol and Independence will investigate its own vehicle pursuits. Alyssa Jackson, KSHB 41 News.